Hi, I am Karthik Kamath, currently pursuing Masters in Computer Application from CMR Institute of Technology. Recently, I completed a Python full stack development internship at Excel Corporation, which was a transformative experience for my skills and career goals. Talking about the learning experience, during the internship, I gained hands-on experience in full stack development. I deepened my Python expertise and worked extensively with the Django framework for web development. Additionally, I mastered front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and leveraged SQL for database management. The integration of Django admin streamlined many backend processors, making it easier to manage applications data efficiently. Talking about the project highlights, one of the key projects I worked on was building a dynamic e-commerce web application. During Django as the backend framework, I implemented server-side logic and connected it to MySQL for data storage. The front-end was developed with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, resulting in a responsive, user-friendly interface. This project gave me a complete understanding of developing and deploying full-stack application. Talking about the real-world application that I learned was this internship taught me how to design scalable web applications, manage APIs for seamless front-end and back-end communication, and optimize performance while ensuring security. These skills are highly relevant for real world development scenarios, and I highly recommend this internship to anyone eager to excel in Python full stack development. The real world projects, hands on learning, and expert mentorship boosted my confidence to independently build and deploy robust application. Thank you.